Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul, a nice little Sephora VIB sale haul. I'm so excited because I can finally start using these products. So this is from Olaplex. And this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. I've heard literally everybody and their mom talk about this product and I have never tried. I've only had like, a little bit of my friend's hair oil, but I finally got one of their hair perfectors. The number 3 is supposed to be like one of those pre-wash hair masks that you put on, kind of like a leave-in mask before you go and wash it off. And I'm really excited about it because it says repairs and strengthens all hair types. So my hair, like I've literally never even dyed it before. I've only ever permed it, but my hair is just naturally really dry. It's just not the most healthy and luscious that I want it to be. And I have seen lots of people post about how smooth and shiny their hair gets after using this product. So I was like, I need to try it, and here I am trying it. So we'll let you guys know if I like it. And also, yeah, we'll link it down below for you guys if you are interested. But I'm super duper excited to try this out and see how it works. Another 2 products from Merit. I'm really excited because I've had quite a few products from Merit and honestly, great quality items. So this is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and basically it has like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And so this just sounds really awesome. So I heard it's great for before you put on makeup to really hydrate your skin and make sure that your skin is beautifully prepped for the makeup that you are gonna put on it. So this is the packaging, gorgeous. I mean, look at how freaking beautiful that this is. 就是很有质感, you know what I'm saying? This just looks super duper moisturizing, and for someone who has dry skin, I'm so excited to use this because I love all things serum. I love light but moisturizing products and using different layers of that to really keep, my skin barrier moisturized. So if you guys have dry skin as well, definitely recommend serums. And I've never tried this out, but I think it's gonna be good just by the looks of it. And also Merit is a great brand, so super excited. So this product I've actually tried from them before. I got the color Beverly Hills, and this is the Merit Flush Balm cheek color, but you can definitely use this as a lip color as well. I love these multifunctional products. So this is just what it looks like. Oh my god, gorgeous. Because I'm pretty sure my previous one had the gray packaging, but this time around, it's gold. It just looks really cute and pretty. And then it's just a little really cute pinky colored cheek product. Put it on your cheeks and it's so smooth and buttery, perfect for winter time. Obviously I would want to opt out for a nice cream product rather than a powder for my dry skin in the winter. Beverly Hills is a really pretty corally pink color. You can blend this out with a sponge and it'll just look like your skin is actually flushing from within. So super duper gorgeous. Really recommend these balm products if you have dry skin. Another repurchase of the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. This is my favorite serum. It's so good. Sorry for the glare, but this is just what the product packaging looks like. Very moisturizing for dry skin for the winter time, and it just feels really good. It's the perfect consistency, not too thick, not too thin. The bottle is really pretty as well, and just you can never go wrong with Lancome skincare products. I feel like I've mentioned this literally too many times in my videos, so I'm just gonna stop ranting about it. But if you guys haven't tried this, definitely a really great entry-level serum. It's really great. You can see instant results. Your skin just looks super supple and soft and plump and moisturized, and really great. So highly recommend this. I promise guys, I have some makeup to share with you guys, but I have 2 moisturizers. I just wanted to stock up during the VIB sale. So for Rouge, it's 20% off. So, really great deal. So this is a product that I've never tried before, but I've always had it in my wish list. This is the Lancome Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream. And it just looks like a perfect hydrating moisturizer for the morning. It's not super duper thick. It's a nice thin consistency, if you know what I mean. So it's great for that last moisturizing step of your skincare routine and prepping for sunscreen. Perfect, because I don't want something super duper oily and thick in the morning, especially if I have to get up and go to work. It's just too much on my skin, So this is really perfect. I've tried it a couple of times already. This is the only product that I've actually tried, and it's really great. So I think this is gonna be one of my new favorite morning moisturizers because it's light, it's moisturizing, and what more do you want from moisturizer, you know? So perfect. And the packaging is really pretty too. Like, come on, it's baby pink. You can't really tell, this lighting is not the best, but it's baby pink. It's really pretty and kind of like mirrored vibes. So love it so much and excited to continue trying it out. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72-hour lipid replenishing hydrator, and I love this product, guys. Really awesome. Like, I've had so many of these as well, you know, feature it a lot in like my empties video, but it's basically the Clinique like Moisture Surge line of moisturizers, except I get the Intense because I have dry skin, and this is perfect because I really like the original Moisture Surge. I just thought it wasn't as moisturizing enough for my skin types, and they had an Intense version, and this is just so good because it's a lot more creamy and like a little bit oily. So it's like, this is perfect for nighttime. Like, my skin feels so good, you know, after showering and doing all my skincare steps, and then just like really locking it all in with this product. So good. So I really like it, and if you guys haven't tried it, definitely recommend, especially for the winter time. So good. So I'm gonna stop ranting because I've recommended this product a lot before as well. Really great for people with dry skin. If you do have oily skin, I do recommend the regular Moisture Surge moisturizer, but dry skin people, the Intense version is so good. Last 3 products, guys, I'm gonna talk about a makeup item finally. This is from Hourglass, and this is the Vanish Airbrush Concealer. And I just really wanted like a good quality concealer. And this is in the shade Cotton, or Cotton, whatever. I mean, look at it, like it just looks legit. This is like a pretty pricey concealer, so I'm really, really excited to try it out. The color, I tested out in stores, you know, perfect. The packaging just feels really nice. I mean, it's like matte and just, wow, I just really like Hourglass products. You know, I have their lip products and I really love it as well. So I'm really, really excited to try out this concealer. You can't put it back in the packaging, so we're just gonna leave it like this. And then I have my Kiehl's eye cream, obviously another repurchase that I love, guys. Really great. This is the Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado oil. Really great nighttime eye cream. Like, I've gone through countless of these as well. Great repurchase. Really nice thick eye cream if you guys want like that nice thick texture underneath your eyes before you go to bed, you know. Love it because I just like hate my skin feeling like dry and tight. I just want to be nice and moisturized, you know, so this just does the job, guys. Perfect. Love it so much, and really keeps the eye area nice and moisturized. This is another product that I've mentioned before as well, so not gonna really ramble about it too much, but it's from The Ordinary. This is the multi-peptide serum for hair density, a concentrated hair serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. So I like to use this on like my hairline. I've been using it since the beginning of 2021, and like I seriously see results. So it's like a really great like cost-effective way of helping like to promote some hair growth. And this is probably like my 3rd one or my 4th one or something, and it's just really good. And I just like to apply it to my hairline because I feel like that's like where I'm lacking some hair growth. And I also don't want like my scalp to feel really oily because I don't want to wash my hair literally every day. So using it on my like the hairline is good for me. So if you guys want a nice hair serum, I definitely recommend the one from The Ordinary. All right, guys, so that is pretty much the end of my Sephora haul for their VIB sale. I hope you guys had a fun time watching and seeing what I got, and hopefully, you know, 种草了一下. So all the links will be down below in the description box for you guys to check out. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are. As always, don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.